Hello.
Hello, Abhishek.
Okay. So good evening. Salam. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. Namaskaram. Vanakkam. I am Rehan, your host for today's evening program. On behalf of my co-presenters, Kuni Management and Kuni family, I welcome you wholeheartedly for this life-changing webinar. Basically, I am an electronics engineer. I have been with Kuni for past 19 years, and this journey has been wonderful. And I'm transformed as a network marketing professional in this journey and achieved a level called Diamond Crown Diamond Manager in this period, touching lives of many people. That's the real enjoyment. I mean, we have been earning money, but at the same time, we have been earning lot of blessings. That's a lovely part of this business. Now, moving forward, before going ahead, let's understand the rules to be followed during the webinar. Please mute your microphones, avoid unmuting it. Any question, please write on a piece of paper or diary and ask the person who invited you for the detailed clarifications. Webinar length is going to be an hour, and yes, there are going to be lucky draws at the end of the webinar. And if we get order from our big boss, then we will also have jackpot. Friends, some rules regarding our lucky draw. Those who join by 20 past 4 will be included in the wheel of lucky draw. Please ensure that your display shows your name and surname, not model name of your mobile or some other nickname. Please note that those names will not be included in the lucky draw wheel. So ignorantly, you might have just logged in like that. So lot of time, please correct it. Kunibio Healthcare India Private Limited was established in 1998 and the business commenced in 1999. Our home office is in Chennai. Datusari Dr. N. Kanakendran is founder and president of Kunibio. He is a marine engineer, which is a very unique thing. Sorry, he's a PhD in network marketing. That is a unique thing, and honored with awards and titles like Datusari Justice of Peace by the Malaysian government. Now, these are the awards conferred to a person who has been influential in doing something good for the country or for the society. So that is the kind of personality our president is. And he brought these wonderful FIR products to India and the business associated with it. So we are highly thankful to our sir. Vision of our company is touching millions of people's lives by offering good health, financial independence, and personal freedom. Mission to provide unique products and services for better living through an ongoing financial opportunity. Profile of our company is transforming the quality of people, delivering quality products. Then we have a huge self-employment opportunity and a distributor strength of more than 6 lakhs and lakhs of people who have been benefited with the products. The bioceramic used in our products are recognized by FIR Association of Korea. Company is ISO certified. Professor Gopi Uh, Professor R. Gopinathan, we call him as Mr. Energy, is our learning partner, one of the leading international convention speaker and motivator from Malaysia. Professor Gopi has spoken to more than 1 million people in his 32 years of experience, sharing his knowledge and expertise in countries such as Singapore, Thailand, Brunei, Indonesia, India, Hong Kong, and Philippines. All these years, we have been highly benefited in our professional career, but there has been a lot of impact on our personal lives too, through the learning that we got. So we are highly thankful to Professor Gopi. Friends, our products have a technology called far infrared rays technology. So let us understand through this small video clip regarding the technology of the products used, the technology used in the products.
What are the things without which we cannot imagine life? The first thing that comes to our mind is air, water, or food. But is that all? Sunlight is also one of the factors without which life cannot exist on Earth. Let us understand why. The sun spectrum has different types of rays, such as the visible rays, that is the 7 colors that you see in the rainbow, and on the either side of the visible rays, there are invisible rays. Beyond violet, there are ultraviolet X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays, and beyond red, there are infrared, microwave, long wave, and more. Infrared rays are further divided into near, mid, and far infrared rays. There is a nanospectrum of 4 to 16 microns in the far infrared rays, which is very essential for the human body. Even the human body generates the far infrared rays, and due to this, there is a temperature in the human body. We get these rays from the sun for nearly 1 hour during the sunrise and 30 to 45 minutes during the sunset. An example of this that you can see in the nature is that the turtle lays its egg on the seashore and the hatching takes place in the influence of far infrared rays. Similarly, a premature born baby is kept in an incubator where the baby is exposed to far infrared rays, due to which the underdeveloped organs gets developed. And hence, the rays are also known as light of life. A research took place in NASA as when the astronauts used to go to space and come back, they felt sick or their metabolism was disturbed. But why so? The astronauts were provided with best of the nutrition and continuous oxygen supply. Even their schedule is scientifically designed. What NASA found was that the astronauts were lacking sunlight. Hence, to find a solution, they found that many types of different clay, when heated to 300 to 400 degrees, also emit far infrared rays. After years of research, they found that 26 different types of ceramics and mineral oxides, when mixed together and heated to 1600 degrees, forms a material which can emit far infrared rays at body temperature. This material is known as bioceramic material. The NASA started to embed this material into the spacesuits of the astronauts, and this solved their problem. Well, let us understand how far infrared rays works on a human body. Our body is made up of 70% water. These rays can penetrate 4 to 5 centimeters inside a human body. When it penetrates inside the body, the water molecules inside our body are activated, and which improvises our blood circulation, even the microcirculation, that is up to the cell level. This improves the metabolism of the human body and hence improves the immune system. This can help in curing many ailments or diseases from the body. It is not an alternative to the medicines, but works as a great supportive therapy. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share it. And
Yes, friends, our products are certainly not medicines or alternative to medicines, but they work great as a supportive therapy. Friends, in current days, our lifestyle is such that we really don't get enough early morning sunlight on our body. So, in that context, these products are a sort of blessings for us. Now we know in the ancient days there used to be mud therapy. Even today it is being followed in at some centers. So this is a modern form of that mud therapy, and in a very convenient way, and with much higher results. Friends, now what are the products based on this technology? To tell you about that, I would like to invite a great leader from Hyderabad, Mr. Ramesh. He is a Crown Diamond Manager in Konibayo, has been with Konibayo for past 18, 19 years. So let's welcome Mr. Ramesh from Hyderabad.
Good evening, friends. I'm very happy to talk about products today. You might have seen earlier, so basically all our Konibayo products are based on the FIR technology. What is FIR? It is nothing but you may come across FIR, first information report in the police stations, but it's not so. It is a far infrared technology, and all the products are embedded in the bioceramic. Now, what are the advantages of using Konibayo products? I'll be telling you in between while I talk about the products. Yeah, there are so many products, more than 60, 64 products, because the time is a constant. So I speak about some of the products. Now, this one product, we call this as a pilot product, that is Konibayo socks. You know, what it does generally, it relieves pain in the feet and the heels. Normally fungus is formed in the toes, so it removes the fungus in the toes. It's a very good for cracks in the heel. And I have been in this Konibayo because of one person suffering with a corn problem. Generally, corn is a toxin which is accumulated in the food. So just wearing this socks, you can get rid of this corn problem also. So we call this product as a pilot. The second product, again, more than 20 years back, I gave this product to one of the lady suffering with a knee joint problem. There is a fluid which dries up as age grows between the two joints. So if you're wearing the Konibayo kneecap, you know, the muscles, tendons are improved. It's very good for arthritis problems and flexibility of the joints. It's very good for even recommended for the athletes. So the lady which I gave this products, believe me, friends, in 15 days, she got rid of knee joint problem. So since today, she's still surviving. And whenever I go to her house, she blesses me. That is the beauty of this Konibayo products. And next. Now, similar to knee brace, we have ankle problem, we have elbow problem. Even our Sachin Tendulkar, the master blaster, has used our elbow brace. It has come in the paper also for this tennis elbow problem. So you can see it reduces the pain in the elbow region. Again, protects in the joint from the injuries. Very good for athletics. You can recommend it for any athletics. Now this, I will take this Corona pandemic situation into the consideration. If you're wearing the Konibayo t-shirt, you can see, you know, vital organs of a human body, heart, chest, lungs, pancreas, everything is covered just by wearing the sock. A lot of people at the end of the Corona, you know, the lungs gets infected. So you can recommend this t-shirt, very good. You know, it prevents, as I said earlier, a lot of vital organs are covered in this. Very good for even low and high blood pressure also. A lot of people today are suffering from frozen shoulder problems. Even you can take care of that. Asthma, as I said earlier, today air is polluted. A lot of people in India, especially in Hyderabad or any parts of Delhi, people are suffering with asthma because of air pollution. Similar to t-shirt, we have this for ladies camisole and for men's singlet, same benefit as we have in t-shirt. Next slide. This is again, I have been into the Konibayo for more than 2 decades. A lot of people today, you know, is suffering from thyroid problems. It can be a hyper or hypo. It's very good for those people suffering. You can see it's a very soft. Generally, you find a collar in the medical shop, which is very hard. Here, if you're wearing this collar, Konibayo, you can even shake your neck also. Very good for frequent travelers. You are traveling in the car, in the bus, in the train. You give to the aged people, very good soft collar. Yeah. This, you can see here, again, the lockdown is going to start at some places already started. I'll just keep saying this, you know, a lot of people in lockdown put on their weight. In this lockdown, you can't see down. That means your weight, your tummy has increased. So this belt works wonder for them. Just wear it. You have a slip disc problem. Weight reductions, very good for the diabetic in the second stage who are taking insulin injection. They can go for this belt. Yeah, next. Now here one product, you can see all the products has been shown now. We can see the ceramic in the product here. Can you see ceramic here? Can anyone say? No, you can't see ceramic here because This is a technology which is, in the fiber, they interwoven the ceramic in this. Very good for people who don't get sleep in the night. Just rest on the pillow and sleep over that. Very good. In small childs, you can also place a child on this pillow pad. Again, this can be used for the longer car drive, back pain, and sleepless nights, using for spondylitis also. Very good product. Amazing. Now here, I think morning you might have heard in the webinar, our one more presenter was talking about his winter cap. We call this a winter cap, but now even in this pandemic situation, it's a wonderful product. Why? Because in the brain region, the cells, there's no blood circulation in the brain. You can get affected with the stroke also. Just wear this kneecap. It's so amazing that, migraine problem, sight problem, a lot of people are given to people, you're not able to hear. This winter cap, just wearing the kneecap, you can able to hear properly. So multi-purpose product is the winter cap. Similar to that, we have only for headache, sinus problem. Again, today, a lot of people are suffering with sinus. They can go for this. You can see the ceramic embedded here. Again, in the traveling, you can use it. Amazing results you get with wearing this eye shade. Next product. This again, energy pendant. If a lot of people today are finding a lot of losing their energies. So this, just by wearing in your mala, you can get your energy energized, which is very much needed the hour in today's pandemic situation. Very easy to wear, just wear it, you can get the benefit. Yeah, next slide. This is a BioBall. Again, I'll take the opportunity during this pandemic situation. A lot of people today, I'll advise you some 2-3 tips today. You need to drink some 3 to 4 liters of water. If you're not drinking, of course, you need to drink ConiBio water, alkaline water. Just place this BioBall in your filter. The water gets activated, the water becomes alkaline. The body, when there's an alkaline stage, no virus, even the corona or dengue or chikungunya, will not attack your body. Please drink this BioBall water in today's present scenario. Next slide. Now here again, as our vehicles, when we give for servicing, generally a mechanic removes the carbon dust in the engine. Likewise, our body also contains toxins, which is to be detoxified. Are we doing detoxification by walking or sweating? No, today, because we're all in the technology arena, so we are not removing our toxins. This is a sachet you just apply in your food in the night before you sleep. The next day morning, you can see all your body toxins are removed. So it's a use and throw product. Every 15 days, you need to go for this, and please use for your elders also. The weakness, everything is taken care, and the body toxins are removed. It feels a feel good factor. Next slide. This is again a paste. You take any normal paste which contains a chemical called triclosan. Here it's a free from triclosan. Very good for sensitivity. For sensitive, and enamel is increased. Sensitive gums and teeth is good. It removes enamel also. I'll just give a piece of advice, and again in this corona, just use this paste and goggle in your throat. Today, corona, again, the throat. Just goggle in the throat for 5 minutes. You can see, you can prevent corona in this ConiBio paste also. Next slide. There's Adflex. Again, today, a lot of people keep accumulating uric acid in all the joints. If you're taking this Adflex, which contains a glucosamine, so your uric acid is reduced. Very good for knee joint problem, elbow joint problem, even very good for the sports people. Athletes can also use this product. Yeah. Next slide. Detergent powder. Kindly use all ConiBio products with detergent powder. Every detergent washing powder, you can see it contains a chemical. Just take it in your hand and feel it. You get the chemical. Here, use this ConiBio detergent powder. It's free from chemical. And it lasts. The products of ConiBio, if you're using with the detergent powder, it lasts long. It's a wonderful product, ConiBio detergent powder. Now, Moringa soap. As again today, we require immunity. You might see a lot of people in corona talk about immunity. It's a beautiful product, Moringa soap. You can see here antifungal, antiviral, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory products. Just in hot water, mix and just take a drink. You can see the drumstick. We call in English it's a drumstick. So it's a juice of that. Please use this. It's instant soap. Anybody can take this irrespective of the age factor. Very good for in the present scenario. Right, next slide. These are the product. There's a promotion in the product. Buy one elbow brace, you can get one wristband free. What is wristband again? A lot of people today, we drive vehicles, we have a wrist problem, so you can take your wrist problems taken care by the wristband. And as I said about BioBall, buy 2 BioBall, you get 1 BioBall free. It's a very good. The company is always a giver. The company tries to give, not to take from any associates, any distributors. It tries to give. So that is the give of the promotional in this lockdown period. Next.
Thank
Next
you,
slide.
Mr. Ramesh, for that wonderful presentation of products. Okay, friends, in the morning, our co-presenter, uh, Madam Anita Talele, shared one of her personal experience, and then I was requested by some of the people who attended this webinar in the morning to request her to share the same thing as a testimony in this English webinar. So I requested her and she has obliged. So she's a leader from Pune, diamond manager, and she's a science graduate, so knows about the products very well. Welcome, madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, friends. I want to share some my experience regarding which came with our Kashmir tour. We came taking little bias in our mind. We started our tour on 31st of March, and knowing their weather still hot, still so much cold. So we pack our t-shirts, socks, winter cap, pillow pad with us, and we wear sunbeads in our wore their sunbeads socks, and everything was going well. One day on 4th of April, my husband, Mr. Vivek, is shivering. We came to know that he is shivering. He has some temperature, 101 degree, and actually he likes to drink tea and coffee, but he don't want to drink that also. And he wore the t-shirt, winter cap, and beads with socks also. And temperature is going on and on, but we gave him paracetamol and all that. Water intake was little bit low, as there was a cold, so no water intake was there. Then he was not ready to eat anything, so we can say a little bit dehydration came. And we came here on 8th of April. So as soon as we came here, we went for a swab test, and day after that, on 9th of April, we consult our family doctor. They also gave him paracetamol and all that, and then we realized that we have to apply our Konitakara product, because we are so much we had some lethargy as such, and we have to overcome that on that situation. So we apply, both of us apply Konitakara, and then our results, swab test results came on Monday, 12th of April. Myself was tested negative, but his reports are came positive. As soon as reports came, we consulted the doctor. He started the treatment, and t-shirt, winter cap, then sunbeads was there. He wearing sunbeads, socks was there, Konitakara we are applying, but still he is not able to eat anything. He is not want to eat anything. So I gave him a moringa soup that he drowned, and so somewhat energetic. He feels somewhat energetic. Then next day, doctor sent one person who did his X-ray, chest X-ray, and the reports were very normal, which doctor also is satisfied, very much satisfied with that result. And we thought that the T-shirt and Konitakara and what he wrote that sunbeams, they play very well role in this situation, that our chest reports, that his chest reports are came very well, and doctor was also satisfied in that situation. And again I gave him moringa soup water, activated water. As we came here uh, at our home, we started our activated water also, konitakara, applying konitakara also. And out of the we came out of this situation in hardly 2 to 3 days. He was out of the situation now. Everything is going well. Yeah, I gave him paste also to apply on the tongue, because some rashes are there in the throat region. He don't have any taste sensation. So now he is okay. He has some taste also. Little bit is there, but he will come back again with this Konibai products. We have faith on this
Hello
Konibai products.
everyone, I'm
Thank
Anupam
you.
from
We use
Mumbai.
in this situation,
A
all
couple
the
of months
products are
before, Mr.
Intercap
Nipsey
T-shirt,
introduced me to
Sunbeams,
Konibio.
Bioball activated water. Actually, we have a purifier, Alka. So maybe older people wearing out this. Then paste, socks, takara means koni takara and moringa soup. We all use these products. So thank you, Koni Bio, which help us in this pandemic condition. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Rehan, sir,
Thank you,
for giving
Anita
me
ji.
opportunity to
Not an apology, it was a request from the people, which I requested you. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
So thank you for sharing that personal experience. I mean, it will help a lot many people to know what products are useful of Konibio. In the morning webinar, I mentioned that I had come across some research paper of effect of far infrared rays on COVID. So I made a small slide taking the contents of that and a reference of the research paper, so which I am going to share with you for your knowledge, so you'll understand. See what this research paper says, that viruses can have either DNA or RNA as core genetic material. The researchers used a fire heating fans in a airtight room. They collected air samples and conducted genetic analysis of microbes in the air. RNA was broken down. COVID is an RNA virus. It has a core material as RNA. So the study suggests that FIR can play key role. That is what has worked, Madam Anita, with you. And the source I have given you, you can go to the site and get the full article. I've just taken some extract of that for the easy understanding. So friends, so far we have seen what is our company, uh, what is the technology used in our products, then what are the products, then we heard that wonderful testimony. Now the next portion is going to be regarding business. So those who are interested in business, they should continue. And I am sure that all of you have come here to know both the products as well as the business associated with it. Uh, Friends, so far, if you have not renamed yourself, please do that, so that we don't find difficulty when we go for the lucky draw. Now, before going into knowing the business opportunity, there's a small story. In the childhood, we used to always tell our parents that I want to listen to some story before I go to, sleep, or otherwise will not sleep. So we used to Either our parents or grandparents used to pressurize them. But this story will wake you up, in fact. So, what is that story? Let's listen to it.
Let me tell you a story of two friends, Pablo and Bruno. Pablo and Bruno were young and ambitious. They dreamt of having their own house, a family, and living their life in wealth and peace. So they got jobs, carrying buckets of water from the river to the village fountain. They were ecstatic. The job paid well, and now they had a way of making their dreams come true. But even though they were young and buff, the river was far and the work was tiring. Bruno said to Pablo, "Dude, don't worry about it. We'll get used to the pain. Plus, one day we'll be able to buy whatever we want." But Pablo didn't agree. There had to be a better way. Pablo told Bruno about an idea of transporting water from the river without breaking their backs or wasting their time. It would be hard at first, but it would pay off in the end. Bruno laughed. "That would take months, years. Ain't nobody got time for that." And so months went by and Pablo continued to work on his pipeline. Bruno and his friends laughed at Pablo. Bruno bought new clothes, dinners, and even a new donkey for his wife. So every day Bruno trudged out to the river, and every day the bucket seemed heavy. Pablo worked on the pipeline, and every day the village became closer. And after much time and dedication, Pablo had finished his pipeline and now was able to give water to the village without any effort at all. The villagers lined up and cheered Pablo for his work. What a hero, this guy. I like water! Bruno is older and bearded now, and the heavy buckets have taken their toll. He can't carry as many buckets of water anymore. He was out of a job. Pablo, on the other hand, was now rich and successful. He now had a continuous stream of income and had plenty of time to spend with his family and doing the things he loved. He told his friend Bruno that he had planned on building more pipelines and offered to help build Bruno one of his own. Eventually, Bruno built his own pipeline, and they were both able to stop working and spend the rest of their lives with the friendship and the pipelines they had built. Pablo and Bruno secured a river of cash. Now you have to ask yourself, how long are you going to work a 9-to-5 job? How much longer can you settle for 5 days off a year? Win back your life. After all, you only get one. Are you a bucket carrier or pipeline builder? We're building a pipeline. Come build it with us. Contact the person that sent you this video.
So, friends, I'm sure this story must have made you think. You are thinking. So we have a wonderful opportunity, as it was shown, a pipeline income, meaning thereby a continuous stream of income, even if you are not working. In the morning webinar, I just said about one dialogue from a film called Guru by Abhishek Bachchan. He said in that film there's a dialogue that जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलने लगे तो समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो. Meaning by when the people start talking against you, so it's an indication that you have started progressing. As we have seen in the story also, the people were against, then later on he became the hero. So you also can become a hero. How? To tell you that we have a wonderful leader from Coimbatore, Mr. Sanjay. He is Crystal Crown Diamond Manager, a smiling face, lovely. You can see on the screen right now. He has been with Konibayo for past 18 to 19 years and has got lot of experience behind him as regards to products, as regards to the business opportunity that he has given to so many, touching lives of so many people. So without wasting much of our time, sir, over to you.
Thank you, Rehan, for inviting me for this webinar. Dear friends, good evening to one and all here. It's been very interesting to be with Conibeo for the last 19 years, and by God's grace, this company came to me through the divine products of FIR products, which helped me personally in my health, which I was suffering from acidity for almost 2 years. I'm talking way back in 2000. 1999, 2001, I was suffering from acidity, and these products came through my friend called Mr. Richard Felix, and I used them and I got the results, and I just sat back behind and I understood this product is really worth promoting to every one of them. And it's a divine blessing. The products came to me. Why not help many other people who are looking forward for good health? And that's how I got into this industry of network marketing. Basically, I'm from a background of real estate, and I continue to do that. And this is my second line stream of income. And if all of you had heard this video, Pablo and the Bruno story, the last dialogue which he said, "River of cash." I think if you recollect the last sentence, what he said is that Pablo and Bruno were enjoying a pipeline income, which in other terms is called river of cash. So, how many of you here today would like to see that you have river of cash? I'm sure most of you love that, right? And but most of us are also working. Working. Some people are going for jobs. Some people are having some businesses, or some of them are looking for an opportunity. But all of them are still looking, and today's market scenario is not that great because job cutting is going on, or salaries are not increasing, companies are not willing to give you bonuses, and many other things that we need to fulfill our desires, which we have been hardly trying to make a living out of it. But when Conibio came to me, I could definitely, by God grace, generate a huge income additional to my existing line of income, and that helped me to keep going further. And not only in terms of business, in terms of my association with people, in terms of my personality, and which helped me to speak. It gave me a lot of personal benefits too. So how do we get into this, and how do people look forward? I would like to take you on to the journey of Conibio's advanced support business system, which you can do any place, anytime, and which is very simple and duplicable. Next. Friends, let's first understand what's the difference between conventional marketing and direct selling. Conventional marketing, if a manufacturer manufactures a product for rupees 30 to 40 rupees and the customer gets for 100 rupees, now where does this profit margin of 60 rupees go? This profit margin is where it goes to various distribution network like the wholesalers, retailers, and they also spend some money on ads. What you see on the television, they spend 6 to 8 crores they give to for a 5-second ads to Amitabh Bachchan and Hrithik Roshan to just promote the brand of the product, in which people look forward and some of them buy and they try it out, right? That's how the conventional marketing strategy works. That's how the conventional marketing advertisement goes on. But what is direct selling in this system? Let's say the manufacturer is manufacturing the product for 40 rupees and the customer gets for 100 rupees. Now, where does this 60 rupees go? Here, this 60 rupees goes to brand ambassadors, the people who are in Conibio, who have been promoting this product and who have been by word of mouth spreading on this particular product. And that's how this entire team gets the 60% profit, which is a profit sharing. In various levels of rank, the profit is being distributed to all the distributors who are in the network of Conibio. Now, coming to the income opportunity as a distributor, first, this is a lifetime membership with no entry fee, and there are various options one can look at it. If you are if you take the membership, there is no compulsion of purchase to retain membership. There is no renewal fee, and the second is being an end user, and you can do retailing. In this, you can again purchase choice of your product at distributor price and sell at MRP and earn bonuses as you accumulate on your own purchases. The third is network marketing professional. This is where I chose to go for it because this is where you leverage your time and money, and this is where you see the river of cash coming to you. As a distributor, you can purchase, I think the previous slide, as a distributor, you can purchase and sell products and the right to sponsor and build a network of direct sellers to achieve big sales volume, my friend. This is where the network of time and leverages works for you. Next. Now, what are the multiple bonuses a company gives to a distributor? The take-home bonuses right from executive to the master crown diamond manager. The first is a retail profit of 10 to 15%, and next is a performance bonuses from 5 to 43%. Then the overriding bonuses are up to 43%. Additional to this, the company gives you a leadership development bonus, which is known as LDB. And the next is the car housing fund. This is an additional bonus the company gives you once you attain the rank of diamond manager, and then you move on to gold diamond manager and crown diamond manager. Here is where the company gives you crown breakaway bonuses, which is the profit sharing of the company, which gives it to the CDMs. Plus, additional to this, the company gives you a domestic and international tours. Now, the most important thing you got to know, Conabear is the only company which has got an accumulated marketing plan, which helps you to grow faster and attain your ranks faster and create a huge source of income. Next. Now let's try to understand the statistics on what network marketing is now currently moving on. In USA, in a country like USA with a population of 32 crores, you see the turnover is 2,25,000, which means they understand the power of direct selling. That's why you see the volumes are so big and the turnovers are so big. And in the country like India with a population of 132 crores, we are just scaling around 15,000 crores, which is a very, very, very small volume and turnover. But friends, India is a sleeping giant with a population of 132 crores. It is expected that there is a huge potential for the direct selling industry to move on, which will be attaining 64,000 crores by end of 2025. Now, I want each one of you to please listen to this video very carefully, which has been told by our Honorable Minister, Mr. Anurag Thakur, on direct selling.
As Mr. Pandey said that I am the first minister to be here. All I want to say is our government is very keen when we have set the benchmark of $5 trillion economy. I understand that the direct selling has been growing at a steady pace and the industry is providing an opportunity to millions of Indians who wish to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. The direct selling industry contributes to India's growth and also creates jobs across the nation. It is commendable that this industry engages around 6 million people involved as either distributors or direct sellers, and I've been told that this number could grow to 20 million by 2020, by 2024, by 2025. The fact that around 25% of the direct sellers are from the age group of 18 to 45 years is a testament that this industry has been given self-employment opportunity to our young generation. The woman has outnumbered the men. They are 75% and the men are just 25%. The number of women sellers have increased from 2.7 million in the year 2016 and 17 to 2.85 million in the year 2018-19, which indicates that over 200 women have joined the industry every day during the past 2 years. This is a commendable achievement and it aligns with our government's vision of encouraging and facilitating the role of women in India's growth story. And I'm sure the target what you have set for yourself and for the industry to be among the top 10 players in the world is going to ensure a large number of women and young entrepreneurs and direct sellers to be engaged in the coming years. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी कई और इम्तिहान बाकी हैं, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीं तुमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है.
So friends, I hope you got his message, the power of direct selling, which our own minister has been talking about, the potential about the market and the kind of people who are involved in direct selling, the ladies, the housewives, the people who are college going students, and anyone can do this business with a minimum age of 18. They can sign up the form and start off with this. And let me go to the next one. As you see a slide, there are 3 friends who are sharing information. Now, what does this information mean? Like, it's very practically that we share information with our friends on a day-to-day basis, which is directly we are not being paid. Let's say that you go for a hotel and you share to one of your friends that this hotel food was good, and your friend goes with a full family and they also spend some money and they come and they enjoy and they say, hey, fantastic, the hotel food was good. Now here, does the hotel owner pay you anything for having referred, or your friends have gone to that hotel, paid a huge sum of amount? No. Likewise, if you give an information to your friend that this movie was good, this theater was fantastic, go to this place, wherever you have choices, and they also go, they watch a movie, they spend some money, and here again, does the hotel owner, theater owner pays you anything? No. Likewise, in a day-to-day activity, just beside these two examples, there are so much of information that we pass to our people, but we don't get paid for anything for that matter. We only just help others to go with it. But here in Conibio, once you talk about the product, the information is given to about the product, and your person buys the product, the company gives you bonuses, which means there's a potential income on what you could look at it. Then let's see how. Now, you as a member, you distribute sponsoring 3 people, and for your first month check, attaining the rank of senior executive, your take-home bonus is 2,000. Now, subsequently, as I said, this is simple and duplicable, and they follow the same system. And in the second month, you attain the rank of manager and you earn a check of 6,500. And subsequently, you go to the third month, you get a check of 12,500. Next slide. And moving on to the fourth month, you become the area manager, wherein you get a check of 34,500. And the fifth month, you attain the rank of diamond manager, wherein your check is 97,500. Plus, here the company gives you an additional car housing fund with a basic business, minimum business volume that you attain. Next. Sixth is where you see that you attained a post of a gold diamond manager and you earn a check of 2,45,000. And on the seventh month, as a crown diamond manager, you earn 6,39,000. Adding up all the numbers, your total income is around 10 lakh rupees, my dear friends. It's a fabulous way of looking at this income, the growth through direct selling. I'm sure no other business, if you go for a job, your employer is not going to give you every month this kind of an increment of salary, right? But here in network industry, in this industry, direct selling, with the power of time and leverage, you can do it. Okay, now what are the other options the company gives you? 2 options the company gives you to earn some kind of, to getting on into this program. One, you are a distributor and you do your personal business volume. You maintain your personal business volume of 1,000 BV and you sponsor 4 people wherein they purchase product worth 10,000 rupees. Your guaranteed income is rupees 10,000. The second option is B, wherein you enroll as a 10,000 or you as a distributor or buy products worth 10,000 and you sponsor 3 people and they buying products worth of 10,000, the company gives you a bonus check of rupees 10,000. It's a fabulous way of looking of generating income. And how does this company help you to go with this? We have introduced certain packages. The first package is Sapphire package, which by doing a purchase of rupees 5,000, my dear friend, this is how the company gives you just 5,000 rupees product, which we were getting it. But here, company on this webinar is helping you to get a bonus of additional worth products of rupees 440 rupees beside the investment of 5,000. It's a good offer the company is giving you. Moving on to the next package is a Ruby package, wherein you purchase product worth 10,000 rupees and you attain the rank of senior executive. And here again, you get product worth additional of 1,220 rupees. Third, moving on to the next package is Emerald package. Here, if a distributor or if anyone purchasing worth products worth 20,000 rupees, the company, besides product worth 10,000 rupees, additionally gives you a product worth again 4,920 rupees. My dear friends, it's a fabulous offer the company has introduced to us. And and some more offers the company has introduced lately. As you all know, our president is a giver. So he decided to go through giving more and more promotional offers. Like if you take up the platinum package, wherein you enroll worth rupees 25,000 rupees, you can choose products worth 25,000 rupees of what you love to use them. And here the company gives you a Samsung Galaxy phone, which is worth 4,999. My friends, it's worth all the money that you invest, good health and something more bonuses. And here again, the company has introduced for those distributors who are really taking up this direct selling, who are really wanting to move on to this. They are known as a performance-based reward scheme the company has introduced, for which a distributor who maintains his personal group business volume for 6 consecutively months, the company gives you a Samsung Galaxy phone worth rupees 6,999. It's a good offer. It's a way of looking of yourself. Not only, it's just not the thing that you're getting a phone. It's a way of you looking to generate your income and your team also. That's how you need to look at it and take it up on this. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so friends, thank you, Rehan. Thank you all of you for giving you a wonderful time. This great evening is yours. And I believe that you all can really succeed in this industry. And you all, we leaders are here today to support you at all times. It is not just now the webinar that we are conducting morning 1 hour or evening 1 hour on Sundays. It is anytime, any place. You can always contact us, and you can also do this business any place, anytime. You everywhere. Like Rehan said, when you start off, there will be definitely some kind of because that's our experience. About my experience also, his experience is that we did find some kind of a people talking, oh, this guy doing this is something, this is something, this. But please understand, my friends, we have to take care of our family, and there is a potential income. Because when I joined Conibio, my first month take home was 330 rupees. And my 36th month, my take home was 3,30,000 rupees after taxes. So that's the power of this industry. So I wish all of you to contact the person who has invited you and utilize this webinar and make the best use of Conibio products, what we are here in India. Thank you. God bless one and all.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay, for that lovely presentation of the business opportunity that Conibio has. Friends, I'm today very happy that you have been hearing one name time and again, Anila Padia, Madam Anila Padia. In the morning also you heard in almost every webinar, when I asked the winner, at least one winner would be there who would be invited by Madam Anila Padia. Today she attained a rank of manager. So she said, sir, I would like to say a few words. I said, why not? Surely. So here she is. She joined a couple of months back, and today she has attained rank of manager. So Anila ji, please go ahead.
Thank you so much, Rehanji. I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everyone, and good evening to one and all. I am Anila Padia from Borivali, Mumbai. A couple of months before Mr. Hanif Sheikh introduced me to Conibio, and in fact, he asked me to attend a webinar. When I attended webinar, I was quite surprised. Then I started attending webinar regularly. Then in month of January, I have joined Conibio with Emerald package. And in the same month, I have got lucky draw as well. I keep on inviting many people for the webinar. You must be hearing my name time and again as introduced by or invited by Anila Padia. So because of this, I am very happy to announce that today I have achieved the level of manager in just of 3 months. So it was a very wonderful journey with Conibio. And actually, I have been to in networking earlier also. But with Conibio, I am very much confident about the product's technology and the product's result, what people are getting benefit in their health. So I feel that I can go a long way with the Conibio and touching lives of many people. I suggest key to success is just to bring many people to the webinar so that they also know the products and the technology of the Conibio products. And that's all. I won't take your much time, and I wish you all the very best with health, wealth, and happiness. Also, I would like to take name of Mr. Deepak Jagad. I wish that in my team, he is also working very hard. Vanita Jogi is there, Sonil Padia is there. So I want that also. Please come in front and invite more and more people so you can become a manager as soon as possible. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
That's a lovely sharing, Anila ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rehanji. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
So moving on, now we would like to invite our leader from Pune, Mr. Rupraj. He's an engineer, and he has been with Conibio for past 18, 19 years, touching lives of so many. You can see that smiling face on the screen as ever. And he's a very dynamic leader. He is, as I said, he's a Crown Diamond manager in Conibio, and we would request him to share some of his experience during the journey. Over to you, Mr. Rupraj.
Thank you, Rianji, and good evening, everyone. And thank you, Anila ji, and wonderful she has spoken. And congratulations on her In 3 months only, she became the manager. Friends, this is very good platform given to us by Koniweb Healthcare India. Now everybody is sitting inside home. Now if I am talking from Pune, in Pune we have curfew. It is like lockdown only. Now in this last year situation and this today's also situation is same, and lot of businesses, lot of jobs have gone. Now Anila ji has become manager in 3 months, sitting just attending the webinars. That is the key thing you must understand. Just bringing the people to attend the webinar, and she has started with the executive level, what the Sanjay ji has shown the plan, executive level, and she has reached to the manager. So manager is 20%. So every time she will be getting good incentives on whatever she sells and from her team. She has also mentioned her team names. So that is the base of this network marketing business, or this is a second source of business, second source of income we will be getting. This slowly she is also generating the pipeline. You must understand the story of my pipelines. So slowly she is also going with the pipeline income, and soon she will become area manager, then GDM, then CDM. Every level she will be achieving with what? With the people in her team. So that is a very important thing. During this webinars we are attending the webinars, and we should learn, we should again and again attend the webinars. Most people feel that again and again it is the same thing, same repetitive thing they are telling, and the same presenters are there, everything is there same. But doing the same thing, it gives you more and more knowledge. That is the most important thing. Whenever you speak to the people, to the strangers, with on basis of this, hearing it again and again, you will be, there will be no mistakes while telling to people. That is the another thing you must learn from this, and you should bring people for these webinars. This Koniweb Healthcare India is in the network industry for last 20 years. It is a member of direct selling industry, which is a government also is supporting this direct selling industry, and it is, we are giving health as well as wealth. Now I will share you one health experience what we had actually in our journey. uh, some people are having diabetes. You must be knowing what is diabetes. We will have one session on diabetes separately. But the people having diabetes, their diabetes people are suffering with lot of other issues also. Like they have their eye problem, that is diabetic retinopathy. Then their kidney problems are there. But one patient we came across during our journey, and he had gangrene. You must have heard the word gangrene. That is an infection had happened to his one of the legs, and that time there was a swelling on his one of the leg, and somehow he got the information about our products and everything. So we went there and we given him the information, and we started the treatment for him with the Koniweb applications. The leg was heavily swelling, and with the help of our soap, then we have the socks and all other things. We applied Konitakar also, then Bioball, that everything. And doctors also were surprised. In 3 months, in 3 months, before that, what doctor were told him that if the gangrene is more, then we have to, wherever there is more infectious part, we have to cut it. Like if their fingers are more infection, you have to cut that fingers, then remove that part and go further. So that is very, very critical situation for those people who are suffering with the gangrenes. But with this, our applications of products and with the other things, this gangrene, in 3 months it was in control, and the swelling was gone. Swelling was gone, and he was previously he was not able to walk. Now after these applications of the products, he was able to walk. So that is the best result we got about this product for the people who are suffering with the diabetes. So that is actually, you can say it is a miracle, or whatever the things you want to say, you can say it. But everyone should use this product. They should recommend these products to the people. They should use this product, and then only the things start. like this is the health, and why we are having the applications with the health. So when we such a results we go get it, then we get some blessings, and that blessings are useful for our family. That is also very important. And we started with this all these things, and in this journey the other part is also very important, that is the wealth. In this situation, lot of jobs are gone, lot of the businesses are shut down, and now we are sitting inside the home. Now we are not able to do anything. Now that is the best example what Anila ji has given. She is attending the webinar. In 3 months she is at the level of manager, that is 20%. So her income level has been changed. Likewise, mine also same thing has happened. I was working in a small scale industry, and when I started Koni Bio that time, I was not knowing about the business. I was just going on telling about the products and telling the results sharing. That is the base of this business. You should share the results to everyone. And after doing that, then my team was built, and when the team was built, then the income started. Whatever the potential income was shown, that all thing I have achieved. And with that, when my job income was less, but in Koniba I got a double income with this Koniba healthcare business. With this, I purchased my first car. I have taken my parents in that, and that day also I remember the first day I doing everything. Then some purchase of some assets. So this is what the Koniba business is. Koniba business is sharing and duplication. You just share what your results are there and what you feel by your heart. It is not like that. That this is not the bluffing. We are not telling you anything wrong. All this is science based. Now, Rihanji also showed you how FIR is important in COVID situation. Today we got a wonderful example by testimonial given by Anita ji about COVID. Her husband is suffering, was suffering from that, and in 3 to 4 days he got relaxed. So it saved lot of money also in that. You should think on that angle also, because you are admit there are no beds available. When we admit in the hospitals, then lot of bills are also there. So this simply application of these small things, like these products are not so costly. What I am saying is that not so costly with your health, with your life. It is not more costly than your life. So if your life is there, not everything will be available for you. That is the important thing. So you should use this product. You should purchase at the DP price. You join the system. The system welcomes you. Koniba Healthcare India is always welcomes you on this platform, and your business starts rolling. So I tell you everyone that all those who invited you, you just thank to them that they have asked you to join this meeting today. So this is very important. 1 hour you have attended, and you take a decision today only. Just ask your invited person that what are the details of this. He will give you all the details, and take the products as per your choice, and join with the different promotional plans, and everything is given by the company is giver. So you start join this company as soon as today only, not as soon as today only. So this is a company where you get it health and wealth. So Rihanji, this is what I want to say everyone, that talk to the strangers and believe in this system, that it will give you success. That is the very important thing. Believe. You just believe in the system, believe in yourself also, that everything will be in control with you, and everything will be benefited to your family. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much for that lovely sharing, Rupraj ji.
Yes. Thank you.
As you said, if life is there, everything is there. So Hindi we say, जान है तो जहान है. और मैं पंजाबी फ्रेंड से सर सलामत तो पगड़ी हजार. You know. Anyway, friends, there's a lovely news to share with you, that we got the message from the big boss that there is going to be a jackpot also. 2000 business volume means approximately 4,000 rupees products. So 2 lucky draws of 1,000 BB, that is approximately 2,000 rupees products, and 1 jackpot. So to take you there, I would like to request our General Manager Malini Madam for the lucky draw. Yes, here comes the wheel now. And it spins. And let's see, stop. Irshad Sheikh. Irshad Sheikh,
Unmute yourself.
please
Irshad
unmute.
ji.
Congratulations. Is he there?
He
Gurpratap
is
ji?
there. Wait. Irshad ji, unmute yourself. Hello. Hello, Irshad ji, unmute.
Hello.
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 Is he unmuted?
Congratulations, Irshad ji.
Hello.
Is his camera on?
आपका कैमरा ऑन कीजिए. Irshad Sheikh will start video later.
Hello.
Hello. आवाज आ रहा है क्या आपको?
Hello.
Mr. Irshad, can you listen? Can you hear us?
I can hear.
Yeah, where are you from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai where?
Mumbai Malad.
Malad. So who invited you?
Hanif.
Hanif Sheikh.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Congratulations. Is this the first time you are attending webinar, or you have attended earlier?
Many a time.
You have attended many. Okay. So today,
Congratulations for that.
so today is your day. Congratulations.
Yes,
Hearty congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. So let's move on for the next lucky draw. And here goes the wheel. And now let's see whose name comes up. Lavkush Sharma, congratulations. Please unmute yourself.
Lokush ji, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello.
कहाँ से आप? Where are you from?
Sir, Pune से.
Pune. Very good. Who invited you? किसने invite किया?
Hello.
हाँ, किसने invite किया आपको?
Sir, रविंद्र हरतारकल ने invite किया.
Okay, congratulations. तो देखिए आपको 2000 रुपए के प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पहुंच जाएंगे. ये पहली बार अटेंड किया या इसके पहले अटेंड किया?
पहली बार किया सर.
मॉर्निंग क्या खुशकिस्मत हो, पहली बार किया और आपका आज नंबर लग गया. वेरी गुड.
मॉर्निंग में भी किया था ना? हाँ, मॉर्निंग में भी किया था और अभी भी किया है. गुड.
हाँ, मॉर्निंग में भी किया था, अभी भी किया.
तो अभी बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाएंगे ना?
है सर.
बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
हाँ सर, बढ़ाएंगे ना.
अरे ये अभी जो कोविड कंडीशन चल रही है ना, घर बैठे बैठे बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस कर सकते हो.
हाँ सर, वही तो.
हाँ.
इसलिए भी अटेंड किया था सर, बहुत बेहतर लगा, इसलिए फिर वापस.
Very nice. Congratulations. So now let's move on to our jackpot. So 2000 VV, 4000 rupees approximately products. And here is the wheel for jackpot. And let's see whose name comes up with this. Manjiri, please unmute yourself. Madam, is she there?
मंजरी नहीं है. एक मिनट वापस देखता हूँ.
It's a jackpot.
मंजरी नहीं है.
नहीं है? ओके, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. और किसी को चांस है, किसी की और किस्मत चमकने वाली है. लेट्स सी. फरीदा सैयद, congratulations.
फरीदा जी, अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Hello.
हाँ, please unmute. Please, can we see your video?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Hello.
Please. हाँ, yes.
हाँ, आवाज आ रहा है आपका? हेलो.
जी.
Congratulations. आवाज आ रहा है आपका? वीडियो.
Thank you.
आपका वीडियो ऑन कीजिए. आपको
वीडियो.
जैकपॉट लगा है.
Hello.
Yes. Can you switch on your video?
हेलो
किसने इनवाइट किया आपको?
हनीफ शेख
हनीफ शेख जी ने। चलो क्या बात है।
जी
Good.
सो हनीफ शेख को भी आप मुबारक, उनके आज 2 लोगों को लकी ड्रॉ लग गया।
थैंक यू।
आपको मुबारक। ये आपने
Thank
पहली
you,
बार
thank you.
अटेंड किया या इससे पहले भी किया था आपने?
ये पहले भी अटेंड किया था बट पहली बार लगा है मेरा।
वाह वाह
चलिए
वाह,
बहुत बहुत
congratulations.
मुबारक, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you, thank you very
अटेंड
much.
करते रहिए और लोगों को भी आप अटेंड करने की बोलिए,
जी
वो
थैंक
इम्पोर्टेंट
यू।
बात। चलिए, ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, so with that we accomplish our lucky draw as well as the jackpot. So congratulations to all the winners. And now all hands together for Ella of Dale. A lot of people doing a little each. Please stay and enjoy. Yes, here we go.
What is it? What is it? A simple business formula. What is it? What is it? A simple business formula. Lot of people doing a little each, little each. A lot of people doing a little each, little each. In 2000 rupees investment, 2000 rupees monthly sale. In 2000 rupees investment, 2000 rupees monthly sale. Build a team, build a business. Build a team, build a business. 10 people selling for 2000, 20 people selling for 2000, 50 people selling for 2000, 100 people selling for 2000, 1000 people selling for 2000. It goes on and 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 on. Be the boss, be the boss, be the boss, be the boss. Build a business empire. It's my business, it's my business, it's my business, it's my business, it's our business.
Join Koni Bio Healthcare India Private Limited as an independent distributor and build your career as a professional networker.
Oh, friends, you enjoyed this evening. You have got a career opportunity here. Honestly, a career opportunity. I mean, you can earn much more than a job. And we are the examples in front of you. So, hope that next time you will bring a lot of people for our Hindi webinar on next Sunday at 11, then again followed by English webinar in the evening at 4 o'clock. So more the numbers you bring, your team will increase. As Madam Alina Padia has shown you that every week you can see in English as well as Hindi webinar, her people are there, and she's bringing maybe 20-25 people. That's why she's getting lucky draw in her team. So that's the example in front of you. And I was very happy that when she opted to share her excitement with you. So friends, on behalf of my co-presenters, Kunibio Management and Kunibio family, I thank you all for sparing your time and request you to bring more and more people for the next webinars. So with that, wishing you a wonderful time ahead. For the time being, we say goodbye to you.
Yes, goodbye. And today only you take a decision of joining Koni Bio in this mission.
Okay.
Well. From all the presenters, thank you.
Yes.